Hello friends, to make Baigan Bharta, first we need to take 3 brinjals and I have to roast it on the gas stove just the way I have shown you, and it is going to look like this. I have taken 3 medium-sized brinjals. If you want to take, you can take 2 large brinjals as well. So now what I have to do, I have to take out the peel and mash it well. The ingredients which we need are garlic cloves, ginger paste, grated onions, grated tomato, chopped coriander leaves, slit green chili, and in powdered masala we need Garam masala powder, Kashmiri mirch powder, whole Kashmiri mirch, salt, Jira and turmeric powder. Also we need 4 teaspoons of white oil. I will give you all the ingredients in the description box. At first we will take a kadai and I will heat oil in it. I have taken 4 teaspoons of refined oil. Now I am going to add the Jira and whole red chili. After that I will add the garlic cloves. Now next I will add onion chopped and nicely I am going to roast it. After the onions are cooked, I am going to add the ginger paste and mix it well. So it's going to give a nice aroma to the dish. Next we have to add the grated tomato and mix it well. And this is called the bhuna masala. We have to cook till the oil comes out of the masala. For 2 to 3 minutes I am going to roast it like this in medium flame. Now I will add the slit green chilies. Once it is roasted well, I will add the powdered masala in it. That is salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirch powder and Garam masala powder. And again we have to mix it well, and a very nice aroma is coming. So we have to keep on stirring it so that it doesn't burn. And I will zoom it and show you. Slowly the oil is coming out of the masala. Next I have to add the mashed brinjal in it and mix it nicely with the bhuna masala, just the way I am showing you. And this is how it's going to look. So it is done. We will garnish it with coriander leaves. Baigan Bharta is ready friends. You can try it with naan, fulkas and parathas. It's going to taste marvelous. And do try this at home and enjoy with your friends and family. I'm sure you all are going to love this. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Definitely stay tuned and wait for my next recipe. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.